You'll shortly be joining your online session. We'd like you to consider a few things before we start, just to make sure you get the most out of your learning. Bring any pre-work, reading, notes or research with you, and be really clear about what you'll be getting from the session and how it links to your learning programme. It's really important that you engage with your tutor and the learning material during the session. This means making sure you're in a place where you're not likely to be distracted and you can interact with the group online. To enable you to do this, we suggest the following few things. Turn off any emails and pop your phone on silent. Shut down any browsers unless your tutor has indicated you might need them for the rest of the session. Have a drink and a notepad to hand. Ensure you've got earphones or a headset plugged into your laptop, computer, phone or iPad, as you'll get the best audio experience this way. Be sitting in a comfortable position and have enough space around you to stretch and move if you need to. It's worth joining the session 10 minutes before the start time to make sure you're all set up and ready to go. Click on the link which has been provided and when prompted, join the session. If you have an option of joining via your phone or the internet, we'd suggest the latter, so you've got the best connection. We call this VoIP, Voice over the Internet. You might be using your video camera during the session, so make sure you're looking presentable and you're not sat in your pyjamas. Double check there's nothing behind you in the room which you're sat in that you wouldn't want others to see or that could be distracting. When your session starts, familiarise yourself with the functionality which the platform offers, which could include a toolbar, giving you access to the chat box, participants box with emoticons, and your annotation toolbar. Let's have a quick look at these now. Say hello to the others in the chat box and get ready for your session to begin. Your tutor may record the session for you and others to benefit from in the future. By following this advice, you're likely to get the most out of your session and enjoy your learning.